Hi everybody, I'm Amy and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. We're glad to have you. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we are opening Boxycharm, everybody. Yeah, so my box has kind of seen better days before. It's kind of wet, so I'm really hoping that everything inside is okay. So yeah. Yeah. But before we get into Boxycharm, if you haven't already, please subscribe, because we'd sure love to have you. Make sure to turn the notification bell on because we don't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos. And please like this video because it really helps me out. And follow me on social media. Everything's linked down below in the description box. And I do have an active giveaway going on right now because we have reached 50 subscribers. So yay, I'm so excited about that. And I will link that down below. I haven't quite figured out how to do the little eye thing yet up above. So I will link it in the description box. So yeah, let me tell you about Boxycharm. So the base box is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products, and it's guaranteed to have a value of at least $125 or more. And you get to choose one item, and now they have a Boxycharm Premium, which I did just do my Boxycharm Premium unboxing, and I will also link that in the description box. That was very exciting, you guys. I had one item in there that was valued at $150. Wow. Yeah, so go check that video out. Again, I will link that in the description box. But Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and you get 6 or 7 full-size products, and that is supposed to have a value of at least $175 or more, and you get to choose one item, and the choice will start next month. They didn't have the choice this month, but and then with the base box, with the $25 a month box, you have the choice to upgrade to Boxy Luxe every 3 months. And Boxy Luxe is $49.99 every 3 months. So every 3 months you would pay, on top of your $25, you would pay an additional $24.99, and you would get 8 or more, usually 8 to 10 full-size items, and they are beauty and lifestyle items, and that is valued at $275 or more, and you get a choice of up to 3 items. So yeah, and right now, if you are a new subscriber, or you have unsubscribed, and I think it's before October 1st, I think. Don't quote me on that one, but before, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's before October 1st. And you use the code GOBBLEGIFT in all caps, and I will put that down, or I'll put that across the screen, and then I'll also put that in the description too. You will get one of 2 Tarte palettes when you join, so that's pretty exciting. I think I have one here actually. Let me see really quick. I believe one of them is the Park Avenue Princess palette, I believe. And it looks like this. And it's a very, very pretty face palette. And I love it. So, yes. So, yeah, you'll get either that or a different palette. So, pretty exciting. Yeah, Gobble Gift in all caps. And again, I'll put that on the screen. But okay, so let us get into our box. Yay. All right, let's cut her open. I really hope nothing is damaged. It is kind of a little soggy. I'm sorry. Had to take a drink of my coffee. Alright, so you open it up and it is a red inside, and the box is bigger now. So it is a red inside, and this is what it looks like. And we have our card. We have our card. And the theme this month is Boxycharm Stellar. And I have variation 15. And we open it up, and we have all our items and our prices. And on the back, it tells us about Boxy Luxe, and it tells us about Boxy Pop-Up, because when you join, you have access to Boxy Pop-Up when that happens. And Boxy Pop-Up gives you products, access to products at up to 80% off. And Boxycharm is also going to start doing foundations and concealers too. So that's pretty awesome. So, oh, I just dropped the card. So, and speaking of which, here is my concealer card to find out which fits me the best. So, I will be trying this out so I can go on and tell them which one best fits me, so they know how to match me. So, all right, now let's dig in. And the first thing I am pulling out are 2 sheet masks, or they're eye masks actually. They're starry eyes. This is what they look like. I guess I only need to really show you one of them at a time, but they are indulgent self-warming eye masks. Warms up in 30 seconds. Interesting. Okay, let's read up on these. Okay. Where are they? Pop Band's Starry Eyes Pop Masks set of 2. These self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find they can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears, sit back, and relax. And these retail for $10. Well, okay. I am not mad about that because I get migraines all the time. All the time. I am triple whammied with migraines. I get migraines from just migraines, and I have them from multiple different medical conditions. So having these, I am definitely happy about. So okay, we have a set of 2 eye masks. The next thing I am pulling out is from Dose of Colors, and it is in the shade Date Night. Yeah, it's not really going to focus. And it says, our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in a rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes, it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. Truthfully, you know, I'm okay with reds, but I'm not a big red fan. That is what it looks like, and I mean, it's not too bad. It's more of a berry red, so it's showing up more red on camera, but to me it's more of a berry red, so I'm not too upset about that. Okay, so we got the lipstick. The next thing I am pulling out is my choice, and it is wet. So it is the Kypris Serum. Good thing it's a bottle, because, you know, the container or the packaging doesn't really matter, but that's what the packaging looks like. I mean, you can see that it's starting to fall apart. So let's take it out of the packaging. But this is what it looks like. Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin and quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids and an array of soothing botanicals. Use as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. And this retails for $90. And I'm sorry, the dose of colors retails for $18. But $90, and I am glad to have this. I just wish that the packaging didn't get ruined. It says apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night for best results, combined with a Cypress Beauty Elixir. So, yeah. Alright. Okay, so, and the next thing I am pulling out is also completely soaked. Is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. Yeah, I really wish this wasn't all wet too. Let's get it out of the packaging. Oh no, it's broken. That's why it's all wet. That's why everything's wet. The Farsali broke. Look. The Farsali broke. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna have to contact Boxycharm. I'm gonna have to contact them anyway because they were supposed to be sending me a Becca highlighter. So, okay, well, let's read up on the Farsali. Farsali Rose Gold 24 Karat Skin Mist. A 4-in-1 wonder for all skin types, infused with rose gold flakes and rosehip seed oil for a hydrating, alcohol-free mist. And it retails for $39. Okay, well, I'll get a hold of Boxycharm and, I'm sure they'll replace it. And the last thing in my box is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I mean, and it's not wet, at least. So, I mean, at least it's not damaged. But it has a mirror, so, it's really pretty. And, has that's really thin, wow. It's really thin. And this is what it looks like. Those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. Let's see, what does it say? Celestial Thunder is an explosive and vivid pigmented explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look, or a simple pop of electric color. these vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. And this retails for $35. Alright, so let's swatch some of these. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 3 shimmers. So, oh, they're really soft. Those are really nice. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, those are the shimmers, and then there's one of the mattes. That shimmer is really light. Oh, I forgot to get a wipe. Sorry, 1 second. These are just so soft. And there's the other 4 mattes. And there you go. It's a really pretty palette. Yeah, so, yeah, I will add everything up and put it down here on the screen, and we'll see what we got for our Boxy this month. And I will contact Boxy, and yeah, and I'm sure they will replace everything, and yeah, everything will be good to go. So, yeah, so tell me what you guys think. What do you guys get in your Boxy? Do you get Boxy? Do you want to get Boxy? Yeah, let me know. Tell me what you think. I want to know. I'm nosy like that. Yeah, tell me everything down below in the comments. Yeah. Please subscribe. Follow me on social media. Make sure you turn that notification bell on. And turn it to all. That way you are notified of all my videos when they are uploaded. We don't want you to miss anything good. And please like this video. It sure helps me out. Yeah, and until next time, I love you, and you guys are awesome, and I'll see you soon. Bye.